Dear customers, in this video I will tell you about the danger of pop-ups that come from the website FreshNewMessage.com. FreshNewMessage.com. This is another dangerous alert that may also hijack your browser and even switch the browser into the full screen mode, as you can now clearly see. Well, to get out of that mode, you simply need to press the escape button. But periodically, these pop-up ads keep attacking the screen and people don't know what to do with them. By the way, the occurrence of these FreshNewMessage.com pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. So first of all, you may carefully research your available Mac applications, and if you find that there is something suspicious here, you may right-click on it and move it to the trash. The danger of these pop-ups is that they try to make you click on the special Allow button integrated into the pop-up. If you have mistakenly clicked on that button, your browser may be hijacked and you may start seeing strange pop-up ads attacking your screen. To deactivate those pop-ups, go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, then select Site Settings and now choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the Allow area. So if you find some suspicious sites here and in the block area, be sure to get rid of them. Finally, my recommendation is that you scan your Mac with the reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. ComboCleaner.com, go to this page to get the program, and then you need to wait until the software updates the antivirus database and click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free scanning of your Mac will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether the trial mode or the premium mode is used, the program performs free research of your Mac computer. To find out what exact threads were removed during the scan, click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific thread that were detected, and you may click on this button that means Show in Finder, and this will show you its direct location, so you may move it to the trash manually. You may do the same thing with all other threads that were reported. You know their location based on this report, so you may remove each specific thread manually or automatically, however, with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.